Hello folks, welcome to my channel. This is Danny Clifford. Guess what we have for today's unboxing video? Yes, it's PS5. Well, we got this product from xboom online gadget store. This is a website to buy all the latest gadgets at an affordable price. The main branch is in Bangalore and Delhi. So you can buy all the products from here in this website. You can log into xboom.in. So I have recently purchased a drone from xboom and I have done a small review on that. You'll find the link at the top, or you can access the link in the description box. So you can buy any product from their website and it will be delivered overall India within weeks. And I will share the link by end of this video, or you can click on the description box to check their website. So let's see what's there inside this box and we'll do a quick review on this. Guys, this PS5 is capable of navigating 4K resolution gaming at 60 frames per second. Sony says you can even go up to 8K or 120 frames per second, assuming you have the hardware to carry it. Still, the PlayStation 5 is going to offer better graphics and more consistent performance than PS4. And other few options what you get with this console is you get an option to insert the disc, that is 4K UHD Blu-ray, and you get a RAM of 16 GB and the storage is up to 825 GB. And the weight, I guess it should be 4.5 kilo. That's what the manual says. This console looks pretty nice actually, but it is huge. And we got another box and we'll see what's there inside. So we have a controller here, and now it is called DualSense instead of DualShock. And this DualSense controller has a built-in microphone and a USB-C port for charging. The share button, now it is called Create, and is the most observing thing. The DualSense has a black and white two-tone color, seems to match the look of the console. As usual, you will get a power cable and a manual, so you can just go through it. And this is the base for your console. And you get HDMI cable. So that's about it, and these are the things what you get inside the box. So let's connect to our television and see how's the experience. So once after you connect to your console, there are few updates, so please let it install. And you need to create an account so that you can easily download or install free games, and also you get paid games. I will walk you through how to install free games with this console, and you can play those games. And also you get a paid games which is like more than 3,000 to 4,000. Alright folks, that's about it. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.